Hello, darling. Welcome back. It's Lady Draws a Lot. I'm an illustrator and a comic book artist, and today I have the May Artsnacks box. Yes! Without further ado, let's open this up, see what's inside, and let's get creative! Okay, so this is what we have here in the May Artsnacks. This is Olo, and this is an alcohol-based marker that is refillable. If you like just the chisel end of your blue and you like the brush end of your black, whatever, you can mix them, match them. This, if it performs well, I mean, this is really nice. And it holding twice the amount of ink, that's great. What have I got here? Blackberry and Sky. And then I have here two King Art ink line pens. These are your illustration sort of ink liners. And then we have this Sumo Grip pencil. This is a mechanical pencil with this awesome grip on the side of it. Also, probably my favorite thing about this is that eraser. It's got that retractable eraser on it, so I erase a lot. So that is awesome. I am very pleased with what's in this month's Artsnacks. Let's get to work. Okay, so this is where I landed with my fun elephant illustration. This was fun. I had fun doing this. All right, and just to let you know, I used the manga paper from Clairefontaine. It's not very thick, but it does take marker well. Okay, anyway. So let's talk about the items in the box. Let's start, well, I'll save the markers for last. So let's start with this Sumo Grip pencil. This is an awesome mechanical pencil. I really like it. Grippy, and the best part about it is this eraser erases the graphite lines from it extremely well. So loving this pencil. This grip is very now let's talk about the King Art Ink Line Fine Line Ink pens. These are wonderful. They're very nice liners and they're very reliable. The line is smooth, consistent, and no issues with feathering or bleeding or issues with it lifting with when I use the markers. So waterproof color, not color, but waterproof lines. These are wonderful, wonderful pens. Now, let's talk about these Olo markers. Oh man, so I think these are beautiful. Very comparable to using a Copic, absolutely. Great job, Olo. You really knocked it out of the park with both the design of these markers and their performance. So the chisel tip worked well. I don't normally use the chisel much, but you know, it works. And then the brush end has a nice range of thickness to it that you can use. And then the customizability of these markers, I mean, this just allows you to really absolutely 100% worthwhile. Cannot wait to get myself a set of Olo markers because I'm absolutely going to. These are beautiful. I would love more colors to play with. And if you're looking for some markers, I appreciate you, Artsnacks, for introducing me to this beautiful Olo marker. Wow, I am so excited for what Artsnacks has to show us next. Well, that does it for me, folks. I thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, evening, whatever you got in front of you. I hope it's great. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Absolutely no complaints. I would love more colors to play with. Worthwhile.